Good morning and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. Please make sure you are subscribed. If you've been here already before, family, you already know what's up. So basically, I thought I would do a Sunday reset with you guys, just to kind of get you caught up in what I do off the screen pretty much. So I am back to doing 2 workouts per day, mainly because I feel my best when I do. And 2, I have a wedding coming up and it's now less than 3 months away. So with that being said, I just want everything tight and right. Usually I do work out at the gym and not at home, but today I decided why not just do my first workout, first day back at home. So with that being said, my first workouts usually consist of a set of hits, and then after I finish, I usually have enough time to meet Caleb upstairs in the gym and lift heavy weights with him. So yes, I get my butt kicked 2 times a day. 80% kitchen, 20% gym. That is true. For your body to have real results, you need to get it right in the kitchen, which means you can see me here making sure I get the right amount of protein, my snacks, my carbs, my vegetables all together so that I am successful this entire week in hitting my body goals. Today we hit 3 different stores. We hit TJ's, we hit Whole Foods, and we hit up Costco. We went to Whole Foods to grab our deionized water, and then we headed over to TJ's because it was super duper important to get different seasonings. And for some reason, TJ's has the best prices on seasonings and stuff. Also came here because I wanted to try the Green Goddess dressing for my salads. I heard it's really fire, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I also went to Safeway, picked up a lot of my greens, my vegetables, such as broccoli. I got some carrots, I got thyme, a lot of different seasonings just to make sure I was successful in cooking. Then we headed over to Costco, grabbed our meat in bulk, and then we checked everything out. We've learned after doing HelloFresh, this actually was pretty good for us on our pockets because we only spent about $100 something each, and the food is lasting us over about 2-3 weeks. After grocery shopping, we got right into the kitchen because, as you can imagine, we had so much food that we had just collected from the grocery stores, and now the most important step was being able to meal prep all that food. So whenever we go grocery shopping, we really aim to get what we will need for that week. So of course, since we got the meat in bulk, we knew what meats would be great for freezing, which ones would probably get frostbite the fastest. Caleb was responsible for cooking all the chicken, turkey meatballs. I'll make sure to record it the next time. I want to do a strict what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, and the workouts I do in a week. Of course, you cannot do a Sunday reset without taking care of the body physically. So I went and ran myself a hot bubble bath. I went and got some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. Made sure I sprinkled that all into my bath because I'm back to double workout, and I just want to make sure I'm not overstraining my muscles and everything, and they get the proper rest and recovery that they need. I am also going to take care of my face. My face, you guys, has been breaking out so freaking badly. I think winter is tearing me up. Winter and the fact that I have to wear masks at the gym and everything else. I think it's just all basically attacking myself right now, and it's so freaking annoying. So I'm making sure I extra cleanse my face, extra clean my face every single day. Once I am done cleansing my face, of course, I'm going in to wash all of that off because now we're going to prepare for a rice mask, which is supposed to be really good in clearing up your blemishes on your face. And let me tell y'all, my chin is tore up. Okay, girl, like, look at this. Like, what is going on? Why do I have random bumps? I got random black spots on my chin. Like, I don't know when this happened, but that's a huge no-no. So let's get to putting this on our face. I usually let it sit on my face for about 10 minutes. It does harden up, but I do go sit on my bed, relax a little bit, and just let it do its thing. And don't play with me. You know I was listening to the jams in the bathroom. If you know me, I gotta listen to some music or a bomb vlog. Finishing off this Sunday reset, I am simply washing that clay off of my face. It is a bit of a pain, you guys. If you've ever done any kind of clay mask on your hair, on your face, you know, when it hardens, it becomes a little harder to wash off, and it was. But hopefully it was the thing that my face needed basically for this dry weather. Like, literally lips are getting dry, face is getting dry, everything is peeling. I'm like, what is this, California? Like, get it together. But Thank you so much for checking out this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Did a bit of a reset with me. I will do a more thorough one coming up in the near future, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of how I'm taking care of my body when it comes to food, when it comes to my physical appearance, and everything else. What I did not show is that I did watch my church service this morning. I watch it on YouTube, take my notes, and have my time just praying and manifesting for the week. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Thanks for watching, you guys.